I am Dr. Mark McCawley. I am a periodontist. I practice in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, right downtown. What makes our practice special with this all-on-4, all-on-5 technique is it starts in the name. I mean, most people call it the all-on-4 because they place 4 implants, because it's the cheapest. It gives you the minimum amount of support that's necessary, and then they end up putting basically an acrylic or a plastic denture over the top there. It screws in, and I mean, I'm not knocking the technique. This is a great technique. It works well, but that's the minimum. What we do is above and beyond. We place at least 5 implants. That's why I call it the all-on-5 here, is because I place 5 implants to over-engineer the case. That way, you know, if you start having issues, if you've got a firm bite, if you have 4 implants, you're much more likely to lose one of those implants or have it break. Another thing is, we do a porcelain-based prosthesis there. A porcelain-based prosthesis is great because it allows us to give you something that looks as natural as your teeth, and it's something that when we do it in porcelain, we're able to do it so it looks great, it's stronger, and it's something that we know when we put it in your mouth, it's going to look the same today as it does 5 years from now. It's not something that's going to really wear down for you. It's something that's going to have great longevity. If you go down the street to some guys that they're doing this technique, you'll see them, they'll give you basically an acrylic prosthesis. That's basically a fancy denture. And the problem with that is, over time, it can wear, it can start to yellow, it'll stain, it'll break, and then you gotta keep coming back, getting it fixed. We do it in porcelain because A, it looks nicer. I mean, porcelain, that's the gold standard for the beautiful, beautiful white teeth that you see on all these Hollywood models and stuff. If they get something done, it's gonna be in porcelain, it's gonna look great for them. We engineer our cases, our teeth to last. And that's something that we do that most people don't do. We work with a prosthodontist to do this. A lot of people do, either a general dentist will place the implants and he'll restore his own implants like that. We bring in the best. We bring in a prosthodontist, not just a prosthodontist that has a PhD in biomaterials. So he knows what the best materials you can use for your mouth. And that's a beautiful thing to be able to do, because the cases that we work, they turn out beautifully. We're in Fort Lauderdale, so you get a lot of ships coming in, and this boat captain, I mean, he didn't take care of it. It's just, it was year after year, it just got worse and worse and worse, and his teeth, I mean, they were just so loose he couldn't eat. He couldn't eat. Basically, he was stuck with applesauce or baby food. So, I mean, we were able to give him, because he came in, and then within a day or two we were able to get him some teeth because he was able to go back out to on another job on the ship again. It was able to change his life because, you know, now he can actually eat the food on the boat instead of having to pack his own baby food and pack his own applesauce, to have something to actually chew with and something to eat with. And that's just one of many cases that we're able to change their lives. As for the cost, it's something that we are not any higher than the corporate dentist down the street. So we're able to provide a better result for the same exact price. We've kind of fixed on the price point where we're able to get that cost down because we work with that prosthodontist, because he does a lot of his own lab work. We're able to bring that cost down so we can provide a better result for you for the same price. We're able to do that within, I mean, a short period of time. We're able to get them something that looks great, natural, and I mean, it's something that's very, very functional and very good looking for them, and it's a life changer. It really is.